Hi, I'm Liav, and today I want to show you one of my favorite ways to find trades that nobody else is looking at on Option Samurai. Most scanners give you a list of pre-built strategies like covered calls, iron condors, and so on. But sometimes the trade I want in my head doesn't fit any of those boxes. So instead, I build it myself. Let me show you how. Okay, let's go ahead and click into it. Just click Custom in the Strategy drop-down menu. This is where it gets fun. I can stack up to 5 legs, stock, calls, puts, any combination, and decide what I'm buying or selling on each one. I don't pick the strikes. I just stack the legs in order, lowest strike to highest, and the scanner checks every combination on the entire market for me. Okay, this is one of my favorite setups. Let's build a risk reversal. Leg 1. Sell a put. Leg 2, buy a call. 2 clicks. That's the whole structure. Now here's the part I love. Once the structure is set, the scanner builds the filters around it for me. Delta on the put, delta on the call, return, break-even points, the whole thing. Automatically tuned to the strategy I just drew. So I can set leg 1 delta up to 40. Then let's do the same with the other leg. So leg 2 delta up to 40, sets the return above 0.1% for instance, and then I click Run Scan. Here you go. This is a list of every risk reversal in the market that fits what I had in my head. If I want to dig deeper on any single name, I just hit the magnifying glass and see every variation of the trade for that ticker. And once I've got a setup I like, I can save the scan, get an alert when new trades match, or send it straight to my trade log. And if you want, you can do all sorts of cool things here. Like, let's say you want to add a stock leg with 74 shares, because why not? So next time you've got a trade idea that doesn't quite fit the menu, try building it yourself on Option Samurai.